Hi guys, we're going to create some salt dough today. Here's the recipe. You need half a cup of flour, half a cup of salt, and 1/3 cup of water. So this is your dry measuring cup, half a cup. Your liquid one. You'll need your mixing bowl, a spoon, your salt, flour, and some water. Make it warm so your hands don't get cold. All right, we're going to start with half a cup of flour. And as I said, this is for your dry ingredients. So I'm going to use my half a cup. I'm going to scoop it in my flour, level it off, and dump it in the bowl. Then I'm going to measure out half a cup of salt. Dump it in the bowl, and then I have to get my liquid measuring cup, and I want to do 1/3 of a cup, which is right there, 1/3. So I keep this on the ground so it's nice and level on the table, and I will pour this in slowly till I get 1/3, and then put it in. Now I will take and stir all 3 ingredients together to start forming my dough. Once it's mostly stirred, I like to get my hands in there and start working it. This should feel kind of like Play-Doh. If it's a little too wet, you can go ahead and add a little bit more flour. If it's too dry, add a little bit of water. I feel like this is just right. All right, stay tuned. If you want to make some art, I will show you how in the Mexican video, or you could go ahead and sculpt on your own. Before we start making salt dough, make sure you check with a grown-up that it is okay to use the supplies we're about to use. The flour, the salt, the bowl, the measuring cups, and the spoon. When you're done creating the salt dough, you can always store it in a Ziploc bag till you're ready to use it.